Hello viewer, if your YouTube watch history not showing, let's see how to fix YouTube watch history not showing problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Now scroll down and go to YouTube storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store. Now search YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app. After complete the update process, follow the third step. Open YouTube app. Click on profile icon. Go to your setting. Now scroll down and go to manage all history. From here, click on your YouTube history. Now scroll up and turn on include YouTube video watch history. Click on turn on. Now also turn on include your search on YouTube. Click on turn on. Now go it. So if you follow this instruction, your YouTube watch history not showing problem will be successfully solved.